End of IT industry? Will AI replace programmers by 2030? Millions of developers are asking the same question. Here's the truth in 30 seconds. Coders, developers at 10 p.m. in the night. Will Claude Code replace me? What if AI ships faster than me? Will junior dev roles disappear? AI can now write code, fix bugs, generate tests, and explain entire code bases. The role is evolving. The most valuable engineers won't be the ones who type code the fastest. They'll be the ones who understand problems, review AI output, catch edge cases, and make smart architecture decisions. But here's the key. AI is empowering developers, not replacing them. The verdict? AI is the ultimate assistant, not a replacement. AI will replace repetitive and manual tasks. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI and humans working together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe QuickTech for more future technology breakthroughs.